Hey filmmaker, Chung Dha here. In this video we are going to talk about the Vazen 40mm T2 anamorphic lens with a 1.8x squeeze. So this is actually a unit that I was able to borrow. However, there is an issue with this unit because the bokeh is slightly slanted, and also that is causing this lens wide open not to be as sharp as the units that I actually used or tried in Singapore, which actually had like the proper bokeh. And yeah, that makes this lens not that great, especially I had to stop down to T4 to actually get like more proper focus or more proper sharpness. But overall the color of this lens is really nice. There's no color cast, there's no hazing going on with lens flares, and actually the lens flare is even really hard to actually get. You really need to have like a light shining really into the lens. The focus ring itself has a really long focus throw, which personally I don't like, because this is making me really difficult sometimes to get a rack focus. You need to get like a follow focus with a big crank to actually get like a proper rack focus going on. And yeah, the closest focus is also not that great personally for me, because it's 2.7 feet, which is about approximately like slightly less than a meter, and it makes it a little bit harder to get subjects really close up to the lens, get like a really close up shot of something, and you need to get a diopter for it, and this is quite a big lens, so I'm not even sure if there is a diopter for this size of a lens. Yeah, I can't really judge too much of the image because of that issue, but overall colors is good. There's no fringing. It is a very clean looking lens personally for me. If it's didn't have the issue, it would be really nice. So I do feel like they need to improve the quality control, especially being a $3,250 lens. You would expect that the quality control would be better for such a high price. But even though for an anamorphic lens, this is actually quite affordable to get, because if you're looking at really anamorphic lenses, being cinema lenses, those are really expensive. So I kind of need to end this video, and yeah, sorry I can't really put a proper judgment on this lens because this is a faulty unit. So hope you guys understand it, and yeah, if you want to see any other lenses that I should review, especially cinema lenses, please comment below, and I'll try and get my hands on it and see what I can do with it. And yeah, if there's any other questions you can also ask. And if you are new to this channel, please hit that subscribe button here below, and also make sure to hit that bell icon so you're always updated when I post a new video. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.